In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a channel to your HubSpot Conversations inbox. This is a simple but powerful way to streamline your customer communication and stay on top of messages in one central place. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings icon at the top right. It looks like a gear. This is where you control all your HubSpot preferences. From the Settings menu, click on Inbox and Help Desk. Here, you'll see the option for Inboxes, which is where all your conversation streams are managed. This is the hub for keeping track of chats, emails, and other channels that connect with your team. Now comes the fun part. Click Connect a Channel. You'll be taken to a list of channel options. For example, if you want to set up live chat on your website, select Chat. HubSpot will guide you step by step through the setup. Make sure to follow each prompt carefully so your channel is configured correctly. Once you've gone through all the steps, finish by clicking Verify Installation. This ensures your channel is live and working properly. Now, any messages sent through this channel will appear directly in your HubSpot Conversations inbox, helping you respond faster and manage communication efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully connected a channel to your HubSpot Conversations inbox. This setup will make it easier to engage with customers and keep all your communication organized. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.